Chapter 6 Starting the Day with Yoga. We should start our day with yoga. It keeps our body and mind healthy and fresh. Before doing a yoga asana, do the following to warm up your body. The first thing is stand straight, slowly raise your hands and take deep breath. Then slowly put your hands down and breathe out. Do the same thing slowly for 10 times. The second is controlling breath. For this, close your left nose with your left thumb and breathe through your right nose slowly and deeply. Hold your breath and count up to 5. And then breathe out slowly. Do the same with your right nose. Do not breathe through your mouth. Do not talk to anyone. Repeat it for 10 times.